example. Repeat it very quickly in a crew. For example, overseer, 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 officer. Yeah, officer from overseer. You need a real clarity. The overseer wanna run up that tension. Officer is a majority nation. Overseer, stop you what you're doing. Officer will be over just when it's concerned. Overseer has the right to get a tail. If you're butt, the overseer has the right to. Officer has the right to arrest. And if you're unconnected to the whole air. They go ride horses and the engineers. The police that are running through gun. So when I'm on the streets of Delaware, I hear it all day. Just to make the little line to be up on their way. So I sing. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beats. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beats. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beats. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beats. Burn the highs on this. Put the highs in it. This is the bullshit right here. This is the radio scared to play. This shit right here. Feel it. Yeah. One. Nice shit. Take off the tape, you rappers on the show. I'm back to home. All things with the hope. And trying to believe when I can challenge my ability to see. I can't detect them. We all in this together. Because no one will ever do what I do. I stole the show. I need that too. What do you make so good for the rest? That's like the teaching. Really been speaking. Preaching in text. Aggravating trouble. Winning must be. Not by financial aid. But the radio hits. Causing me to take long trips. I'm the original teacher of this type of style. Rocking off beat with a small or something I know to. B-I-C. I heard the step in the jam. Flip. I ain't Superman. Cause anybody can. What shit you made? So rock a turntable. Grab the mic. Plug it in. We hit it. Yeah, stop. Go hard. There's not a lot of groups fall apart. Rap it so hard. No one to the old school. Rap it till the break. Rap it till the. No one on. Listen to me. 20 years old. 50 years. You can stop. Hey, even. You sound ruthless and running around. Because today, I'm still number one. If you hip-hop here, make some noise. Take it in. This is hip-hop. Freestyle shit all day. Freestyle shit all day. School hip-hop right there. Me, I'm a free MC. I can tell every camera here, fuck MTV. That's raw shit. Let me tell you, this ain't no on-tour shit. See, KRS-One, I don't need technology, but I will check your psychology. Hold up, what is this? Let me see if I can call a man quick. Cause this thing go long distance. I can call America, tell them I'm with this. Maybe I should. Damn, I just turned on your whole damn hood. I'm recording all of y'all here. You right with your